Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to find Instagram password and username 2025. So let's get started with the video. So basically all the password in your iPhone or the Android phones are being saved into the password manager that is in your Google account. So in order to find that, what you need to do, click on the Google browser. Here at the upper right side, you need to click on your profile, and after that you need to click on Google account. It will take you to the Google account page. Here scroll left until you find the option of security. Go into security, scroll down till the end and you will find an option of password manager. Click on this password manager, manage passwords. So here basically you will get all the passwords and username which you have saved. Here you can scroll down and you will find instagram.com. So basically you can click on that. It will ask for the verification, verify it with the fingerprints or the pin, and here as you can see you have got the username, and when you will click on this I sign you will get the password as well. And from here you can edit and delete it as well. So this is how you can see your Instagram password and username. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.